Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most beneficial and merciful. First of all, I want to say Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I hope that all of you will be fine. So, dear friends, today we are going to discussing more important topic of the computer studies, which is called the software and hardware. So, there are two questions. What is relationship between the software and hardware? How can we relate the softwares with the hardware of the computer systems? So this is a very important topic for MSc, BSc, FSc and Matric level classes. So first of all, we will talk about the software. So I want to tell you that software is a set of the instructions which we give to the computer system to solve the problems is called the software. Like the drivers of the computer systems, operating systems, Windows and other softwares which you use in the computer your daily life, like Avast, Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW and other softwares. Actually, this is a set of the instructions which we give to the computer systems to solve our problems. These are called the software. And software may also be called as a program. And all the programs of the computer systems is called the software. So now we will talk about the soft copy. Soft copy may be defined as the set of the information which we cannot touch and feel is called the soft copy. Everything which you can see in the monitor screen is a soft copy. So we cannot touch, feel the soft copy, just we can see the soft copy informations in the monitor screens. So now we will talk about the hardware. So hardware may be defined as the set of all the physical devices of the computer system is called the hardware. The set of all the physical devices of the computer system is called the hardware, like mouse, keyboard, monitor, CPU, processor, etc. And now we will talk about the hard copy. So you can define it, the set of the informations which we can feel and touch is called a hard copy. Like all the documents which you print on a paper and which you can see on a paper, so you can touch the informations which is printed on a paper, these are hard copies. So now there is a question, what is the relationship between the software and hardware? Software depends upon hardware and hardware depends upon softwares. You can say that without any software, our hardware, like you can say that software depends upon a hardware and hardware depends upon a software. Without softwares, our hardware of the computer systems cannot be worked. And without hardware, our software of the computer systems cannot be executed. This is a wonderful and main relationship between the softwares and hardware. So you can say that software depends upon hardware. Any software cannot be executed without hardware. Hardware depends upon a software. Any hardware of the computer system cannot be worked without software.